In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from KuCoin to your bank account in a simple way. First, open the KuCoin app and log in. Before you start, make sure your KYC verification is completed, because most bank withdrawal or P2P options require a verified account. Next, you need your funds in a common coin like USDT. If you're holding other tokens, go to Trade. Sell them into USDT or another major stablecoin, and make sure the balance is in your main or funding account. Now, to cash out to your bank with low fees, go to Buy Crypto, then P2P, and switch to the Sell tab. Choose USDT, select your local currency, and pick a payment method such as bank transfer. Choose a reputable buyer with good ratings, enter the amount you want to sell, and start the order. Send the crypto to escrow when KuCoin asks, wait for the buyer to pay you to your bank account. Then confirm you've received the money and tap Release to finish the withdrawal. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.